नमस्कार। अब जो खबर आ रही है वह श्री गंगानगर के पदमपुर क्षेत्र से है। पदमपुर में एसएस आदर्श ग्रुप ने शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में नई सफलता हासिल की है। एसएस आदर्श ग्रुप में आरबीएसई स्कूल की सफलता के बाद अब क्षेत्रवासियों की मांग पर सीबीएसई स्कूल भी शुरू कर दिया है। आइए इसके बारे में आपको जानकारी देते हैं और आपको बताएंगे कि सीबीएसई स्कूल में क्या क्या विशेषताएं हैं, स्पोर्ट्स के क्षेत्र में किस तरीके से बच्चों को तैयार किया जाएगा, स्कूल में शिक्षा का स्तर और उसकी विशेषताएं क्या होंगी। सबसे बड़ी बात अभिभावकों के लिए जो बच्चों को सिक्योरिटी स्कूल प्रशासन किस तरह से देगा, पूरी बातचीत सीबीएसई स्कूल 19 बीबी के प्रिंसिपल हैप्पी प्रकाश से करते हैं। Sir, after the success of RBSC school, now you have opened the CBSE school. Then tell us what are the features of this school?
एक्चुअली जो सीबीएसई स्कूल है 19 बीबी एसएस आदर्श कॉन्वेंट स्कूल 19 बीबी पदमपुर, इट इज़ ए इंस्टीट्यूट एफिलेटेड टू सीबीएसई सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन। सेंट्रल बोर्ड का ये था कि ए ग्रेट डिमांड ऑफ द पब्लिक ऑफ द पदमपुर एंड नियर बाई द एरियाज because they are suffering the problems for their children. They don't have any of the means suitable like that major facilities, education and a disciplined type of institute they don't have in the area. So on the demand of, we open the society SS Adarsh Vidyalaya Samiti which is running already 2 of the school RBSC board, from the RBSC board SS Adarsh Senior Secondary School Hindi medium and then SS Adarsh Senior Secondary School English medium in the local Padampur, now in the ward number 18 in Padampur. After it, on the demand and our society also observed that actually it is the problem that in the nearby, in the local area, no full facilitated school of CBSE is not here, and then we feel that we should provide the facility of a CBSE school. Then we started the CBSE school 2018 and 19. In the session of 2018-19 we started CBSE school affiliated to CBSE in the 18 and 19 up to 10th class. At present, in the session of 19-20 we have the student up to 9th class. Then in the 2021 we have the student in 10th class, now running the 10th class. In the future, in the session of 2021 and 22 we are going to take the admissions in the 11th class also, because the school is already affiliated to CBSE senior secondary level up to 12th class, and in the 12th we have the facility. So facility of medical, non-medical, commerce, arts, and the most needed, most required facility of an institute is staff. Our staff, hard working staff, well qualified staff. Qualified means not even the degrees all the staff members have, but they have a particular approach to read the mind of the students, to read the level of the students, and according to the level they make the upliftment of the students.
Parents like to see their children in the play area. So what is your priority regarding the sports?
Yes, sports को देख करके we have the sports facility like in the institute there are the district level tournament, and on the district level tournament when the students selected on the state level, then national level, these things are as scheduled, they are already we have. But apart from it we have a games period, one game period in a single day, means each and every day we have game period. Doesn't matter the class, the student are related to the nursery class or the students are related to 10th or 12th class. Each and every class have their games period in the daily routine, and in the games we have indoor games, outdoor games. On the outdoor games, football, kabaddi, hockey, cricket, and most important individual games like in the athletes, any type of each and every type of race, long jump, high jump means individual, and in the individual games the students are doing their hard work and they're doing their best in the individual games. And team games also, our teams are performing well since last 2 years, since the opening of the institute.
Parents continue to worry about their children education as well as security. So tell us, what kind of security arrangements are there for the children in your school?
यस, सिक्योरिटी को लेकर के एक बहुत बड़ा इशू रहता है, खासकर देखें तो इन द प्रेजेंट टाइम द बिकॉज गार्जियंस आर ऑन देयर वर्किंग प्लेस, एंड if they are at their home, in their working place all the day, they are thinking about that, is our child safe or not in the school institute. So after in the entering the school, we have a special attendance system, digital attendance system. RFID कार्ड से होता है, RFID कार्ड से डिजिटल अटेंडेंस लगती है. when the student pass through the RFID machine, then automatically scan the RFID card and go the message, text message in the inbox to the parents that your child is in the school campus. And when in the full time after the school hours, when he left out from the school, then already message reached to the parents that your child is out of the school campus.
Sir, the SS group extend for beyond. Children of other areas also want to come here. So what kind of hostel facilities is there to stay here to bring children?
Yes, actually देखें, लाने ले जाने के लिए तो मोस्ट sophisticated school vans we have, जो मतलब आजकल की जितनी भी मॉडर्न टेक्निक की आधारभूत सुविधाएं हैं, ऑल द फंडामेंटल्स एंड ऑल द मॉडर्न फैसिलिटी वी हैव इन आवर स्कूल वैन्स, लाइक द GPS कैमराज एंड ड्राइवर कंडक्टर, वी आल्सो हैव विद द ड्राइवर, एंड in the staff of the vans, in like driver and conductor, we have the experienced type of staff. And about जो यहाँ नहीं रह सकते, the students who can't up down make the up down from the school and to home, उनके लिए क्या है कि AC totally AC hostel जो है हमारे पास है. Okay, in the school campus we have AC hostel facilities, and in the hostel facilities there is the study facilities also. The teachers are taking the class in the hostel and making prepare the students for the exams and better result.
शुभकामनाएं आपको बहुत बहुत. क्या कहना चाहेंगे क्षेत्रवासियों को, इधर के जो लोग हैं उनको, आपकी संस्था से जुड़े हैं, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
बिल्कुल, क्षेत्रवासियों को ये कहना चाहेंगे कि लाइक 2 schools आर रनिंग इन दी लोकल पदमपुर ऑलरेडी, और लोग उनका क्या है कि खूब जो बच्चे हैं उनका लाभ उठा रहे हैं, बेनिफिट उठा रहे हैं, एंड दे आर रीचिंग द हायर पोस्ट. एसएस ग्रुप से निकले हुए स्टूडेंट बड़ी ऊंची पोस्ट पे जा रहे हैं, एंड नाउ वी आर आल्सो प्रोवाइडिंग द फैसिलिटी ऑफ ए CBSE स्कूल. तो उम्मीद करते हैं कि शहरवासियों का, क्षेत्रवासियों का जो उनकी डिमांड थी वो पूरी हुई जैसे, तो वो सहयोग देंगे और इस संस्था को भी RBSE दोनों संस्थाओं की तरह वो आगे बढ़ाएंगे.